Hello, welcome back to Tarot by Lodestone Productions, where we help you discover your true north. I am Aditi, and this is a message for whenever this message reaches you, because Spirit is not bound to our time and space continuum, and so the only time by which we tell time is divine time. Dig what I'm saying? Okay, so let us check our spiritual voicemail and see what's what. I did not do a pre-shuffle today. I just pressed record. So, let's just see what happens, shall we? Do let's. All right. So, what does the collective need to know today? Nine of Wands, the Empress, Two of Pentacles, Ten of Cups, King of Pentacles, and the Fool. Wow. Got beat down into submission, juggled what you wanted, and decided to go ahead and set out for it. Okay, I see. This is what we're doing. Screw it. I'm going to go for what I want. Looks like that's today's topic. Screw you guys, I'm going home. Okay. Screw you guys, I'm going home. Ace of Wands, King of Cups, the Sun, Wheel of Fortune, Death, and the Eight of Pentacles. So you are literally going to let passion drive for a while. Now that you understand that it's safe to do so, with the King of Cups, you've done the research and you see that the Sun is here along with the Wheel of Fortune and the Death. Like, it's okay to let your passion sit at the driver's seat for now. It's safe because you've been working on tempering this passion so much to the point where you've all but snuffed it out and it is now resurfacing again. And so because of what you've learned in the tempering process, it's like, okay, this element is necessary to move us forward to the next phase. So you've got Three of Cups, Page of Swords, Strength, Three of Pentacles, Four of Cups, and the Empress. You definitely have the green light from Spirit, that's for sure. To move forward in this direction. So you're on the right path. But you're also taking notes as you're going down this path, which is great, because usually with the Ace of Wands, this is like flying by the seat of your pants type of energy. But instead of flying by the seat of your pants, you're just allowing that essence to propel you forward while you take the time to learn from the path as it's being revealed, which actually takes a lot of strength. a lot of inner strength, because usually with the Ace of Wands, we want to go ahead and just fast track through some stuff. But even with the fast tracking, you're taking copious notes and you're really working with yourself to be able to recognize what's noteworthy and what isn't. With the Three of Pentacles, you are looking to actually grow something. Grow something, grow something. You want to take it from concept to reality. And with the Four of Cups, there's this, yes, there's this fast trajectory, but I really want to keep it under wraps because I'm not sure what's happening here. So I want to keep it really close to the vest. But I know I asked for it, said the Empress. I know I called this into being. I'm just not sure how it's going to take shape. And until it's a bit more concrete, I just need this to be between Spirit and me. Four of Wands, Queen of Swords, Eight of Cups, Justice, Nine of Swords, and Temperance. I knew it was going to come up. I need to be able to rest on this creation. And because I need to rest on this creation, I need it to be solid. I need to be able to jump up and down on this. It needs to be puncture proof. Oh, that's a good one. It needs to be puncture proof with this Queen of Swords. Because I left a lot of shit behind. I've made some serious sacrifices with the Eight of Cups to go towards what is true and just. It's and honestly, like coming through all of this and walking through this manifestation, I ain't gonna lie to you, that shit keeps a bitch up at night. The Nine of Swords. Like, there is a level of questioning every day. Every day. Did I get the alchemy right with the Temperance? Do I have the right blend of elements in the right way? Because this needs to be sound. Four of Wands. Again, I need to be able to lay this foundation and make sure that it's puncture proof. And I'm walking away from shit that's not puncture proof to try and get here. Page of Wands, Five of Cups, Five of Swords, Queen of Pentacles, Three of Swords, and the Hangman. I'm transforming into something brand spanking new. And it's going to separate me from what I already know with the Five of Cups and the Five of Swords. And I've talked shit with these people. I know how they can be. Even as I'm going through this transition, I know how they can be. But I also know that in order for me to be who I need to be, with this Queen of Pentacles, this heartbreak is inevitable. And I've got to be able to look at things from a fresh perspective. Even if that means Hermit in the Moon, even if that means separating myself from those that I am familiar with the Hermit, and going through uncharted waters with the Moon to reach this level of security, Knight of Pentacles, and to reach this level of mental clarity, Knight of Swords. To be able to defend this choice, Seven of Wands, and get the fuck out of here with the Chariot. Screw you guys, I'm going home. As lovely as it is to have the beginnings of a community, where you learn how to actually be yourself. Even with the people that help you come into this level of authenticity, sometimes these people that you are around are not meant to be your people for the long run. And you have to step away from that in order to fully appreciate the full spectrum of your personality. But for those that truly, truly care about you, and I mean truly, truly care about you, they're not going to be upset that you actually go forth and choose you. Because those that really love you and care about you, their deepest desire for you is for you to choose you. Because that's when your inner light shines the brightest. Six of Pentacles, rejuvenation, Queen of Cups, the Tower, Ace of Pentacles, and Nine of Pentacles. Because that's when you shine the brightest. And when you shine the brightest, you are able to be the best you for the world around you. Those that care about you recognize that. In this, those that care about you are not limited to those that care about you on this plane. I'm talking about your ancestors and your spirit guides. They too need you to be the beacon of light that you were destined to be. Because then and only then are they actually able to come in and aid you in recognizing the value with the Queen of Cups, recognizing the value that is hidden within you. To tear asunder all of the preconceived notions that have been built about you thus far. Because all of this needs to come down in order for you to recognize the true you. And how quickly this turns into, how quickly this recognition, there we go. How quickly this recognition actually turns into a peace of mind that you can see, hear, feel, and touch. How quickly we go from an ace to a 9. Ten of Wands, 9 of Cups, Page of Cups, 6 of Swords, 2 of Wands, and 7 of Pentacles. You're coming to the end of your trials, and you're feeling good about it with the 9 of Cups. Not only that, you also have the wherewithal to be able to take stock with the Page of Cups, be able to take stock of where you've been, where you're choosing to go, and also where you are, and make necessary adjustments along the way. Because with the 6 of Swords here, your main goal is peace of mind. Period, point blank. Peace of mind. And you're going to go towards that with the 2 of Wands. And anything that does not aid in that peace of mind will be eradicated with the 7 of Pentacles. No question. Okay. Thank you for taking the time to hang out with me today. Until we meet again, remember to be good to yourselves and to each other. And I will see you next time. Bye now.